Hello everyone, in our today's video tutorial I will show you how to install VLC media player on Ubuntu or Linux operating system. By using this simple command you can install VLC media player on all kind of Linux operating systems like Ubuntu or Debian or Kali-Linux. So to install VLC media player, open terminal, hit Ctrl plus Alt plus T. You will see this window. Now I will type the command to install VLC media player. It's very simple. Just type sudo apt-get install VLC and hit enter. It will ask for the password. Enter your password and okay. Need to get 30.4 MB. After this operating, 155 MB of additional disk space will be used. Do you want to continue? Yes. Hit enter. Now wait for some time. The VLC media player installation is in progress. It will finish soon. It's completed 81%. After finishing, I will open VLC media player. Wait for a few seconds. It's installing. Now congratulations, VLC media player is installed. Now if you want to open VLC media player, just type VLC. Cancel. Okay, here you see the VLC media player. Now the second method to install VLC media player is from App Store. You can click on software. Okay, now if you want to install a new app, just search here VLC. Here you see the VLC media player. It is already installed on my computer. If you want to install, then click on VLC, and here you will see the install option. But now VLC media player is installed on my computer. It is not showing that option. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Easy Edu for more videos. Thank you.